At 2:17 a.m., Jake was staring at his phone. Again. He had an exam tomorrow. His alarm was set for 6 a.m. His life was going nowhere. And the strangest part? Jake knew exactly what he needed to do. He just kept avoiding it. Every morning, Jake promised himself, today will be different. Then he'd scroll for an hour. He'd watch motivational videos, make a new to-do list, promise himself he'd start tomorrow. And tomorrow became the safest place in his life, because tomorrow didn't require him to change. One night, Jake put his phone down and asked himself, what am I actually running from? Not what was wrong with his life, not what other people were doing. What was he avoiding? The answer was uncomfortable. He wasn't avoiding work. He was avoiding the possibility of failing. Because if he never tried, he could always tell himself he could have succeeded. So Jake made a strange decision. He didn't create a 30-day plan. He didn't promise to become a completely different person. He gave himself one honest day. For the next 24 hours, no endless scrolling, no pretending to be busy, no running from the one thing he knew he needed to face. First, he cleaned his room. Then he went outside and walked for 20 minutes. He sat down with a piece of paper and wrote one sentence. The thing I'm avoiding is blank. He filled in the blank. Then he spent 1 hour working on it. Not perfectly, not confidently, just honestly. And something unexpected happened. His life didn't magically change, but for the first time in months, he trusted himself again. That's the part nobody tells you. Sometimes you don't need more motivation. You don't need another productivity hack. You don't need a perfect morning routine. You need to stop negotiating with the truth, because the thing you're avoiding today might be the exact thing standing between you and the life you keep saying you want. You don't have to fix your entire life tonight. Just stop running for one day. Face the thing. Do the first step. And prove to yourself that your words still mean something. Because one honest day won't fix your life, but it might introduce you to the person who can. And maybe that's where everything finally starts.